Did you know that there is a hidden waterfall in Sri Lanka called Bopath Ella, shaped just like a bow leaf? Have you ever heard? This waterfall flows gently from the top of the hills, surrounded by thick green forest. You can hear the water falling splash, 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 like nature's music. Not only that, the sunlight touches the water, making it sparkle like diamonds. Birds sing around, and the air is fresh and cool. It feels like stepping into a dream. I just don't know, why are you waiting? You can explore it with Vibe Ceylon Tours. Feel the adventures, see the beauty, and take memories that last forever. Come and discover the hidden heart of Sri Lanka with us. Don't wait.